This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 26th of June 2013. Asian markets opened broadly higher following the 100-point rebound in the Dow overnight. Sentiments were lifted by a late statement from the People's Bank of China on Tuesday addressing liquidity squeeze. The central bank said it injected funds into some financial institutions and would make similar moves in the future. It also urged lenders to handle liquidity fluctuations in calm and rational ways and said it will take corresponding measures according to circumstances to ensure market stability. That's the first official statement addressing the cash squeeze in China, which sent the overnight repo rate to a record high last week, and the sharp fall in market rates, including one-day and seven-day rates this week. The news eased some worries in the markets, but the rebound in Asian stocks is quite weak so far and might not be able to sustain for long. In the currency markets, the dollar consolidated in tight range against other major currencies this week. Even the relatively stronger US dollar Canadian dollar turned sideways at around the 1.05 level. Yen crosses lacked momentum on either side. It should be noted that 10-year US yields retreated after hitting another high on Monday at 2.657%, but the retreat was very shallow as it quickly rebounded to close at 2.589%. Gold's sell-off resumed today and dropped to as low as 1251.2 so far and is still heading south towards the 1200 psychological level. The broad sentiment is still favouring more upside in the greenback. In Europe, European Central Bank President Draghi said that price stability is assured and the overall economic outlook still warrants an accommodative stance. He expected monetary stimulus and improvements in financial markets will support a recovery later in the year. Meanwhile, he noted that the yet-to-be-used outright monetary transactions program is even more essential now because there are potential changes in the monetary stance with associated uncertainty in other jurisdictions of the integrated global economy. On the data front, Swiss UBS consumption indicator and German GfK consumer sentiment will be featured in the European session, along with the Bank of England's financial stability report and UK CBI reported sales. Q1 GDP final reading from the US will be the main focus in the US session and is expected to be unchanged at 2.4%. For all the Forex news affecting the markets throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.